morning, grade 1. How are you? Are you ready to get started today? Yes, thank you. Listen to me. In the last lesson, we learned how to make halves and quarters. Now, let us remember how. If I have these two sandwiches and I want to divide them into halves and quarters. Yes, divide the first one into halves. What I will do? Very good. Divide it into two equal shares. That's easy to do. It's easy to do. Like this. I have two equal shares. 1, 2. What about this? I want to divide it into fourths or quarters. What I will do? Very good. Divide it into 4 equal shares. 2. I want to divide it into 4 equal shares. Great. Good. I have here how many equal shares? 4. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, listen to me and answer the questions, please. Which one has more shares? The first sandwich or the second one? More shares. Which one? The second one. Very good, because I have 4 equal shares and 4 is greater than or more than 2. Very good. Now, listen. Which sandwich has larger share? Larger share. Which one? The first one or the second one? Very good. The first one has larger share than the second one. Now, listen to the most important part in this lesson. If I have more shares, like the second sandwich, more shares, then I have the smaller share. Did you understand? Yes, repeat it. If I have more shares, then I have the smaller share. Here I have the second one. I have 4 equal shares, so I have the smaller share than the first sandwich because the first sandwich has two what? 2 shares, 2 equal shares. Very good. So don't forget that if I have more equal shares, then I have the smaller share. This is our lesson today to understand half and quarters or fourths. Let us move to the exercise. Read the question. Circle the shape that has more equal shares. Put an X on the shape that has larger equal shares. So the question asked me to do 2 things. First, one, circle the shape that has more equal shares. The second one, put an X on the shape that has larger equal shares. Let us start. First one, I have 2 halves. The second one, I have 4 equal shares. Which one I will circle it? Very good, the second one, because it has more equal shares. Now, which one has larger share? The first one, so put an X. Good. Question number 3. Fourth. Here I have 4 equal shares. Here I have 2 equal shares. Which one I will circulate? Very good, the first one, because I have more equal shares. Now, here it has larger shares, so what? Put an what? Put an X. Very good. Question number 4, try it yourself. Move to the next question. To the next page. Draw a line to divide this shape in half. Good. What I will do? Divide it into 2 equal shares. Very good. No, it's not. They are not equal, so now it's better than now. Shade 1/4 of this shape. Yes, I want to color how many share? Only 1 because I want to shade 1/4. Draw lines in the orange square to make smaller equal shares than are in the blue square. Here I have 2 squares. One is blue, the other is orange. And I want to make more shares than the blue square. So I want to divide it into what? Here I have 2 equal shares. Here I want to divide it into what? If I want more equal shares, very good. 4 equal shares, very good. So divide it into 4 equal shares. This is our lesson today. Thank you very much, dear students.